Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to give you guys the Block Blast best strategy. So let's say I'm showing you guys this one, right? So now as you can see, I got lucky, but as you can see that you just have to know where your things go and try to make gaps to fill these spots. Let's say we do it here. As you can see now I can have easily this spot filled up, and then let's say for this, as you can see, easy. And then for this one, if I'll say I'll keep it right over here and then fill up this gap over here. And then this, I'd probably do this over here, and this diagonally, perhaps I'd put it here. Now this thing, okay, now I'm in a mess because I cannot put it anywhere unless I fix the earlier things. Okay, we still cannot put it anywhere. We're in a mess. As you can see that we have lost. So the thing is, always keep enough space, as you can see, and you just have to kind of move with the flow. Like, you don't know when you're gonna get stuck, just like I showed you guys. So right over here, as you can see, if I keep this over here, I'm not having much space because I don't know when I'm gonna get one. But if I move it right over here, then a lot of my space does get evacuated. Same thing if I do it like this, then see, I just have to wait for one line, which I immediately found, and then this space I can fill up like this. This space, as you can see, it goes right like that. So you just have to be consistent with this game and keep practicing until you actually get good at this. And that's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.